Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to find winning products and the aspects that I look for in all the products that I start to test. So without further ado, let's hop right into it. So the first thing that you're going to see right here on the screen is a product research sheet. So in the product research sheet on the right-hand side, here are the 5 aspects that I look for in every product that I'm starting to test. Number 1, the product solves a problem, right? Number 2, has good profit margins, $30 or more profit margins. You don't want to be selling a product for like 20 bucks and you're only making like 15 to maybe even 20 bucks profit margins. You want to be above that $30 profit margin mark. So make sure when you're finding products that the products that you're selling could either be bundled, or you could sell a product for like 40, 50, or even $60 or higher to make sure that you have that $30 profit margin. Number 3 is that make sure it has a wow factor, right? It solves a problem in a unique way. Number 4 is make sure that they have 3 to 5 good videos about the product on TikTok, on Meta, making sure the product is being talked about on TikTok and that there's plenty of videos showcasing the product. So we know that the product is, number 1, resonating with people. We look at the TikTok videos about the product, making sure that there's good engagement, good likes, etc. So making sure that there's at least 3 to 5 good videos on TikTok about the product that you're starting to sell. Number 5 is make sure that there's a competitor already selling that product. So you want to find people that are already selling that product, whether they're already selling in the TikTok shop or whether they have a Shopify already selling this product. And basically you're going to take that same product that's already working for them and you're going to move it to another market using a different angle, using a different offer, etc., etc. So those are the 5 aspects that I look for when I'm looking for products. Now I'm going to go ahead and give you access to this product sheet. You could go ahead and just make a copy and you could start finding products in this way. And the way that I structure out this product sheet is, number 1, I have the products on the left-hand side. Number 2, I have video ads showcasing the products, right? So for this acne soap, there's a TikTok video right here. So there's plenty of videos on TikTok actually showcasing this acne soap. And then number 3, I have the competitors. So we'll go ahead and see the competitor, see what they're selling, see their offer, see their website layout, etc., etc. Now the next thing, so once you have the product name, the video from TikTok, and the competitor's website, the next thing you're going to do is find a supplier. Now the way that you can find suppliers is simply go over to aliexpress.com, or you can use a supplier like Zendrop. So you can come over into AliExpress and type your product name in. So if you're selling the acne soap, for example, we could kind of see what AliExpress has. So perfect right here. This turmeric soap is exactly what they're selling right here. So this is basically how I find the suppliers, is basically just go over to AliExpress, type your product name in, and you should be able to find your products on AliExpress super easily. So we'll just type in acne soap. So boom, just like that, acne soap. There's tons of different turmeric soaps and different soaps that you could start testing. Like some of these are $2, 90 cents, $1, $1.95. And you could kind of just find some products that we're looking for. So basically, when you find a product like this one right here, this turmeric soap, all you want to do is just copy this link, go back into the product research tab, and then you could just paste this link into the supplier, like so. And then boom, once you have the supplier, then you could go into the selling price, right? So let's see what they're selling it for. So they're selling this soap for around 24 bucks and they get 3 soaps. So this is a kind of an offer that you want to replicate, right? So you get 5 soaps for $32. So probably going to be selling this for about 32 bucks. So it only costs about $1 to fulfill. And the next thing that I look at when I'm drop shipping from AliExpress is I want to go to ship to, and I want to ship to Spain or whatever country that you're selling to. So for example, if you're shipping to Spain, you can see that you're going to get free delivery from the 10th to the 17th, and it's July 2nd. So it means that they have good shipping times. So you want to make sure that you have good shipping times right here on this right-hand side. And then we could also go to ship to, like, we might want to market to the United Kingdom. So we'll go ahead and apply to the United Kingdom, and the delivery time is around 20 days. So we might not want to ship to the United Kingdom just because of the delivery time from AliExpress. And it's going to cost $5 to ship to the United Kingdom. So maybe we go ahead and type in Australia, and we'll see what kind of Australia is looking like. So Australia looking like we have good shipping times, the 11th to the 28th, and it's going to be that 99 cents, $1. So we're having good profit margins, you know, if we're selling it for 30 bucks for like 5 bars of soap. We're gonna be spending around $5 to $7 to fulfill that item, and we're gonna be making 30 bucks plus if you charge some shipping, so our profit margins are gonna be good there. So if we go back into here, we could go ahead and sell this for like maybe $29.99 plus $5 in shipping, so maybe like a total of $35.99 for maybe like 4 bars of soap. So that's kind of be the selling price. So 4 bars of soap would be about $7 minus that 35, you're getting about $28 profit margins. So that's okay. You want to be above that 30% profit margins, but if it's at 28, 29, you should be okay. So then you'll be able to dictate, is this a winner based on the aspects that we look for here, whether it's yes or no. So in this case, the acne soap would be a winner. And I'm going to go ahead and give you guys all these products for free. It's going to be in the description below the video, so you could go ahead and take a look at some of the products that are currently working, and you could start testing some of these products here. Now, the way that I actually find these products is one of 2 ways. So the first way is I go over to PipiAds.com. I'll go ahead and leave it in the description below. So it is a paid subscription, but I'll go ahead and show you guys a free way to do product research. But by far, PipiAds is the best way. It's the best way that I use to find all my winning products. So let's go ahead and hop into it. So once you sign up for PipiAds, you just go over to products and add products. And once you're in here, all you want to do is click Shopify, and then you go to the number of ads and you select medium number of ads and then last 30 days. So those are the filters that I use to find winning products using PipiAds. So I'll go ahead and start finding some products. I like to stay in the women niche, the health and wellness niche, the beauty niche. Anything selling to women or supplements or healthcare is what I find works the best when drop shipping. So that's what I'm kind of looking for. For example, this right here, this Curved Glow, it looks like it's a collagen mask. So we'll go ahead and click on this, kind of see what's going on here. It looks like they're selling for about $14. We'll go ahead and take a look at their website. But yeah, so they're selling bundles. So this could be a potential product that we go ahead and sell. It's a collagen builder. It looks like you just take it as a supplement. So like I said, supplements, health and wellness is always going to perform pretty well. But this could be a potential product that you test. And a good thing with PipiAds is you could actually come down here and see all of the creatives that they're actually working, right? So this creative right here has been running for 58 days, almost 800K impressions. So this would be a video ad that we could go ahead and utilize to sell our own products, because you could simply just click on this video and you could just download the video directly to your computer and make your own variation of those ads later on when we get to running ads. But basically what I would do is I would just go to PipiAds, put in those filters, and I would just kind of scroll around and try to find some winning products that we could go ahead and start testing, right? So we'll go ahead and just keep scrolling. This collagen mask, this Pure Glow collagen mask is doing pretty well. I've seen people scale that. Let's see what else we have here. Some of these dresses are pretty good, especially for summertime, but I would definitely stay around the health and wellness niche, or the beauty niche by far is performing the best. So yeah, that's basically how I do product research. I'll usually spend maybe like an hour or 2 hours looking at products, adding them to the product research sheet, adding maybe 5 to 10 new products that you find, adding the videos, adding the competitors, and all that stuff you could find in PipiAds. I went ahead and found some products that I like personally from PipiAds. One of the products being these creatine gummies. So if we go ahead and take a look, I added them to the product research sheet, so you guys could go ahead and take a look at that. But these lung detox gummies, sorry, not creatine gummies, but lung detox gummies. You know, a lot of people are smoking these days, you know, just to detox their lungs is a really good offer. You know, you could buy one for $34.29 and maybe charge $5 at shipping, so you do have those profit margins. This is a good store that's currently working well. And then if we go into PipiAds, we could kind of see how well their ads are performing. So, you know, they're spending 4 to 16K on these ads. That means that this product is working and they are scaling this. And what we could go ahead and do is actually take some of these creatives here. We could see what countries they're targeting. So they're actually targeting Australia. So maybe we test a different country or a different market for this exact product and start using some of these ads. And like I said, you could just go ahead and click these ads and download this video image. And this ad actually here is created by AI. 100% this is created by AI. So later on in the course, I'm gonna show you how to create high converting ads. But right now, we just wanna make sure that we have enough creatives that we're able to make our own creatives off of these creatives here. So we could see that, you know, this one right here has 227 impressions, 54 days it's been running. So we could go ahead and use a video ad like this. But this is just one of the products that I found by doing product research via PipiAds. Another product that I found right here was this collagen mask. So if we go ahead and open this up, looks like they're selling one set for $29.97, 2 sets for $40, and then 4 sets for $59. So the selling point is there. This product is working well. Like I said, to find these products here, all you have to do is just go to AliExpress, and then you could type in like collagen mask, and then boom, all these collagen masks are gonna pop up, and then you just basically have to figure out which one you want to sell. Like this one, for example, you could sell this collagen mask you're gonna get this collagen mask for only $1, and it's free shipping. So like I said, it looks like their offer is they're selling eight masks for $29.99, so it's probably like $8, and then they're probably charging $5 at shipping. So the profit margins are definitely there. That's one product I found while using PipiAds. So that's basically what I do to find most of my winning products. Is I use PipiAds to find products, and then once you find a product, they're gonna show you how much they're spending on ads, so you can validate that this product is scaling, and they're gonna have all these ads that you could go ahead and utilize to make your own ads by just simply clicking on the video, and then you could simply just see all the analytics on this ad. So you can see how much they spent on their ads, how many orders they pulled in from this ads, how many days they've ran this ads, and you could go ahead and actually just download the video straight to your computer, which is super nice when utilizing PipiAds. Now, like I said, this is a paid subscription. So if you guys don't want to pay for PipiAds, they do have a 3-day free trial, so you could utilize that. Or another way that I do product research is I go to TikTok.com and I type in TikTok made me buy it. So I'll type in TikTok made me buy it, and basically we're just looking for the same thing. So we're looking for likes, as well as we're looking for products that are in the health and wellness niche, the beauty niche, and things like that. So this is what we're kind of looking for. So we could spend a few hours kind of scrolling on what TikTok made me buy and kind of just see what products are popping. Like this hair removal tool right here is a product that we could go ahead and start testing. There's tons of likes, almost 1 million likes on this product. So we know that people are resonating with this product. You could go ahead and look at the comments and kind of see what people are resonating with, but this could be a product that we're currently selling. You could go over to their profile and see what their website looks like. So if you go ahead and view this, this is just a hair removal tool dropshipping store, and it looks like they're selling this product for $33.95, and then you could go over to AliExpress and just type in hair removal tool and just kind of see what pops up. I might have to say pet hair removal tool. Yeah, and then you could start just to see like something like this you could sell for $3, and just like you see all these different hair removal tools, and you could kind of just see what's performing the best, and kind of just match those products with what you see on TikTok. And basically you just put all those products in the product research sheet, and then that's basically how I find all my products. So like TikTok made me buy it, we'll go ahead and just start searching some of these products here and just kind of see what's popping here. This one right here, it looks like is a skin tool. This has 40K likes, so that might be worth a test. Let's see what else we have here. This product right here has 167K likes. So this might be a product that we want to test. It's a spin scrubber, so that could be a product that we potentially test. And that's basically just how I find winning products. Is I'll either go to PipiAds and kind of just scroll and see what kind of is resonating with people. I'll look for products that are solving a problem. They have all 5 of these aspects. I go ahead and throw every product into this product research sheet, and then from there I'll be able to dictate what product I want to test. So basically the next step for you guys is to download this product research sheet. Either download PipiAds or go to TikTok.com. TikTok made me buy it. Find a bunch of products, go ahead and add them to this product research sheet, or test some of these products that are already in the product research sheet. You could go ahead and do that as well. But basically just find like 5 to 10 products that you're looking to test that follow these 5 aspects. Go ahead and add them to the product research sheet. So once you find 5 to 10 products that you're ready to test, then the next step is to set up your Shopify, set up your store. And that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you in the next video. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to be showing you how to set up your store, how to create high converting landing pages using AI. So it's super easy, super simple. There's not a lot of upfront work. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the next video. That's how you do product research, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.